Hey, you're here! Yeah, and someone else is here too. My techie whiz twin brother MB.
Hi everyone, Ref is here too.
Affirmative!
Hi Ref. Now, you may think Ref looks like a floating football, but he's a lot more than that. Isn't he, MB?
Yeah, he has loads of skills, as well as a really magnetic personality.
You could not be serious.
Well, tough crowd, eh?
Magnetic is right. Magnets are amazing, and one of the many ways we can deal with today's topic, ocean pollution. It all began when Tabor clogged up the river with junk.
Yeah, Ref helped clear the junk using water-repellent ferrous nanoparticles.
Water-repellent nano what?
Or WRFNs for short. They're a type of iron that when mixed with oil can help separate oil from water with a magnet.
Aha! Because magnets are metals that pull some other metals toward them. Super cool!
That's cool.
Water pollution is a big problem. Here's a super fact. Did you know that there is more tiny bits of plastic called microplastic in the ocean than there are stars in the Milky Way? But what causes water pollution? It's time for a supersize. Why is there so much pollution in the water? Well, there are lots of reasons. Big factories flush down chemicals and waste products into the water. But sometimes so do we.
We all have to try harder to take care of the environment.
That's right. So we never litter.
We could organize a local beach or street cleanup. And we could all reduce the amount of plastic we use and reuse plastics we have already used. Plastics aren't the only kind of ocean pollution. Big ship tankers sometimes have accidents and cause oil spills, making life harder for birds and sea creatures.
Aw, poor seagull. So it's on all of us to do what we can to keep our oceans clean. And one of the ways scientists do that is with the super-powered magnets called electromagnets. And guess what? It's something we can all make at home. Let's try it together. Let's Technovate! To make our own electromagnets, we'll need a copper wire, a nail, and a battery. Now you might need a grown-up to help you. Just wrap the copper wire around the nail. You should end up with the ends of the copper wire looking like this. Then place the battery so that the two ends meet the wire like this. And that's how you make an electromagnet. Easy, huh? Scientists make electromagnets because they can turn them off and on, unlike other magnets which are always on. Now let's see if it works on this pesky oil spill. This is some oil in water. By sprinkling some iron particles into the oil like this, the ions should be attracted to the magnet. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it works! The oil is attracted to the ion, and the ion is attracted to the magnet. And I bet there are lots of other super cool ways Technovators have come up with to clean our oceans.
Like what?
Let's find out! Supersize! What are other ways we can clean our ocean? This hungry trash wheel uses the power of water and sunlight to gobble up rubbish floating on rivers. Yum, yum, yum. And look at this cool device. It catches the rubbish before it even reaches the sea. And this robot can suck up oil spills using a nanowire mesh. Huh?
Hey Sema, you like my super big electromagnet? Oh, I think I might have made it a bit